Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily print network config on your BROTHER DCP-T510W. So first, what we need to do is click on the menu button here. Now go over to print reports and now go over to network config. Here click OK, now press start and wait for it to stop printing. And now after it's over, we will get an entire paper of the network configuration. As you guys can see, this is how it looks like. Here we would need to set up our IP address, subnet mask, and much more. Here we have even more, like the NetBIOS name. And here we have even more information. So this is how it would look like if you printed it by yourself. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.